Imagine walking into a room and feeling an instant shift in the energy. It's like an invisible force pulling you in or pushing you away. That force is your personal vibe, a unique energy signature that you radiate. In this episode, we'll dive deep into understanding and elevating your vibe. What is a vibe? It's the energetic imprint you leave on every interaction. It's a blend of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The key factors influencing your vibe are your mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your overall energy. The second factor is emotions. Your feelings, both positive and negative, radiate outward. Third is body language. Non-verbal cues like posture, facial expression convey your energy. And finally, it is about your personal energy levels. Your physical and mental vitality impact your vibes. How to elevate your vibes? Here are some tips. Meditate. Regularly spend some time and meditate so that you calm your mind and reduce your stress levels. Do yoga to balance your body and mind. Journaling that helps you in expressing your emotions and gaining self awareness. Have a positive mindset. Write gratitude journaling every day. That helps you in focusing on the positive aspects of life. Affirmations. Correctly designed affirmations can empower your mind with positive statements. Visualization. Create a mental images of desired outcome to familiarize yourself with the positive possibilities. The next is healthy living and healthy lifestyle. Focus on the right nutrition to fuel your body with wholesome foods. Sleep well. Prioritize adequate rest for optimal functioning. And exercise to boost your energy and reduce your stress. Make sure you live in positive environment. Surround yourself with positive people. The company you keep influences your energy. Read and watch positive content on social media. Create a positive space around you. Design a serene environment to relax and recharge. Here are some powerful radical statements to enhance your vibes. Recite them with me and after me. I purify my vibes. I simplify my vibes. I magnify my vibes. I purify my vibes. I simplify my vibes. I magnify my vibes. I purify my vibes. I simplify my vibes. I magnify my vibes. Learn to design more powerful, radical statements and enjoy a very positive and powerful vibes that can certainly change your life. This is Aatmn Parmar, master of the inner transformation. If you wish to change the world around you, begin by shifting the world inside